guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video, just like the title says, I'm gonna be installing some LED underglow lights. Got this kit off Amazon. I think it was like 30 40 bucks around there. And it's a pretty cheap kit, but on the reviews everybody say they work, so decided to give them a try. Right now I got them all laid out where they're gonna go. You got the front side, the rear. Then you got the power box right here. And then this is just pretty much a simple power and ground. I'm gonna be wiring up a switch, that way they don't get constant power. I did want to do them on that side, but my exhaust is on that side. Don't want any wires near the exhaust, don't want to melt it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it right here inside the fender, and then wire it through here. This little hole goes to the footwell of the driver's side. So I'm gonna be wiring it down there, and then hopefully I'm gonna be putting the switch right here or somewhere right here, somewhere that has easy access. But for right now, I think what I'm gonna do is start mounting up the actual LED strips, and then start chasing or routing the wire to where it's out of the way. Yeah, let's get started. So I'm up in front of the car, and this is the old kit I had. This one was just a blue kit, didn't change colors or anything. It's the kind of older style. It's got a plastic casing with an actual bulb inside there. It's pretty damn bright though, I ain't gonna lie. But that's gonna go. I'm gonna take that off because that broke with all the bumps I was hitting, just shaking around. Cracked the bulb. Hey, little doggy. But yeah, taking that off, and then I'm gonna clean up this plastic thingy. I don't know what they're called. Splash guard. I cut it because this thing was all beat up, and as you can see, I mean, the previous owner had it really low. But I'm gonna put it on this splash guard right here, but I gotta clean this up, that way the 3M tape can stick to it. And the kit also came with zip ties and self tappers and some little 50/50 brackets. I'll show you right now. But I'm gonna get this cleaned up, that way we can mount the LED. Alright, so this is what the kit came with. It came with the remote, came with these little these are the little 50/50 mounting tabs I was telling you about. They're like rubberish. Zip ties. I don't know what the hell these are. They got some 3M double-sided tape though. And then it's got like I don't know. But there's also got some adhesion promoter. Then a bunch of little self tappers. I'm guessing for these clips right here. And you only get 2 per LED, so yeah. I'm gonna try and mount these with those. If not, just gonna drill some holes, use some zip ties. I got more zip ties over there just in case I run out, but yeah, let's do this. Alright, so we have the front strip mounted up. Got the little 50/50 tab on this side with some self tappers. Got on this side, and then also have the 3M double-sided tape. Hopefully it holds. I'm thinking it will, but I might get some zip ties and just drill some holes. Zip tie, zip tie, zip tie, just for good measure. So for right now, with this one mounted, I'm gonna start routing this wire over the fender well, and then onto the side skirt, and mount that one once I route the wires. That way, you know, I don't mount it and then, you know, have super tight wire or something like that and not have any slack. So I'm gonna route the wire, get it in the spot where I want it to be, and then mount the actual LED strip. Alright guys, so I got all the LEDs installed. They're all mounted up. The wires are kind of tucked, still need to do a little bit of tucking. don't know if you can see on this side, but that's one of the wires. Goes down to the side skirt. Then it goes over into the front one. See this wire right here? And then from the front on this side, it goes, see if you can see in here, but it goes right here, and it goes all above the fender well, and it goes back down into this side skirt, and from this side skirt, it goes, you can see down there that black wire. So from over there, it goes along, and it comes back over here to the rear. So now that the LEDs are all mounted up, I can now drop the car back down, feed the wire into the driver footwell, and start wiring it up. Alright guys, so I got the LEDs wired up. I got the ground over on a bolt in here. I got the power hooked up to that battery cable over there. And I also got the switch wired up. Cha-ching. We good. Now I just need to find a place to put the switch. I might need to go get a little step drill bit or whatever they're called, because I don't have any drill bits this big. But the good thing is the thread's in. So yeah. All right. So before I go to the parts store, I want to see how this looks in the dark. So let's turn off these lights. Alright guys, back from the parts store. I needed this step drill bit. Ended up being exactly the size I needed. I literally used it to the last step. But I did end up mounting the switch over here on this side, up here up front. Hey Diesel. Everything works. We're all good. I need to do this one. This was for the inside, for the lights up here inside and the footwells, and I got 2 lights over here too. I need to hardwire these to the battery, because right now I just have the wires all over the place and it looks all nasty. But that'll get done in another video. For right now, I ordered some amber tint film and just got here today. So I'm gonna go to my buddy Mark's and have my buddies help me out, put it on. And yeah, let's get this done. Already got the bumper off, cleaned the headlights off. About to try and get this on. Got the boys over there. So just finished up the headlights. My boy Julio wants to take it for a spin. About to give him a ride, let him drive it. Looks pretty good. I got the steering wheel turned a little bit that way, so yeah. You good, you good.
That shit stiff as fuck, boy.
There's no power steering. It's solid. Yeah. feels slow when you drive it.
Fuck to the ground, nigga.
Yeah.